Hello everyone and welcome back to Python lectures. Here we are seeing another video on Python patterns, and this you can see this is again the third letter in the alphabet range, which is capital letter C. Right, so let us see how we can actually draw this pattern with the help of Python. Right, so here again you can see that what I have done over here is drawn the pattern in form of a table, and as usual I shall be numbering the rows and the columns. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7 rows are there and 5 columns are there. Again this is a correction, you can put 5 over here. So this is not 6 over here, this is 5, right? So that is a correction. It was also there in the previous video and I'm very sorry for that. Now, as you know that for the table format, we are going to use two nested for loops with the values 7 and 5. Why? Because we have 7 rows and 5 columns. And by putting 7 and 5 in the parameters, as the parameter to range, we will be getting values of row and column ranging from 0 to 6, and here we will be getting 0 to 4, which are clearly 7 and 5. Right, now tackling about these stars. Right, so what we want over here is we want to print stars now. Right, so first of all we shall be talking about these stars. Right, for this the if condition will be having column equal to 0. Very simple. Right, we want star in column 0 irrespective of the rows. Right, now what we want these stars. Right, we want these stars. So here you can see that the row is equal to 0 and row is equal to 6. We are talking about this row and we are talking about this row. So the row number is 0 and 6. Now we do not want to overwrite these two stars, right? That we have also seen in the previous video when we were drawing the capital letter B. So we don't want to overwrite it. So for this, what I have taken over here is we have taken over here is an AND condition. We do not want to overwrite the star where the column is equal to 0. Right, so what we have taken over here, we have taken that the column value should be greater than 0. That means we are talking about these columns. So we want stars only when the column number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We do not want star when the column is 0. So the condition is whenever the column number is greater than 0, we need stars at row number 0 and 6. Right, so that is all about this if condition. This structure of capital letter C is very easy. Again, talking about the print statement, this is the print statement for printing the stars. Otherwise we want to print spaces over here, so this is for that, and this is for changing the lines. Right, so this is for the changing line, that is /n. Right, because we haven't taken any parameter, so by default the end will be having the parameter as /n, so it will be acting as a line changer. Right, so that is how we are going to draw the pattern for capital letter C, and let us go to Python screen and see whether this particular program is giving us the same output or not.
Right, now this is the program for capital letter C, and again the same correction. Shall be changing this number 6 to 5. Again I shall be repeating, we will be getting the same output with 6 also, but again let be really precise over here. And the if condition, which is very important, I want the column and I want in the first row and the last row, and I do not want any repetition, so there is an AND condition with column greater than 0. So it is very similar. Right, so let us see, run the code, and what we are getting as the output. Okay, and you can see that yes, we are getting capital letter C over here. Right, I hope that this pattern video is clear to you all, and for more such videos stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.